Hi all. Welcome back to Tuk Tuk Tech. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and enable the bell icon for new video notifications. Today, we will discuss about lower value relationship. Lower value relationship, which occurs when the current day's pivot range is completely lower than the prior session's range. This is the most bearish value relationship. You need to sell at resistance when this relationship forms, as it implies a trending market. Let's check this with few examples. On 25th March, lower value relationship was formed in Nifty 50 index. You should observe the price closely when this relationship forms. Note, the Nifty ended well below the next day pivot range, and on 25th, opening candle confirmed the continuation of the trend by opening below the central pivot range. Prices fall to the support 3 level before buyers hit the market. Always note, where the market opens in the following day will either reject or accept this directional bias. Now, let's take a look at another example. On 26th March, on Nifty 50, again, lower value relationship was formed. Nifty 50 ended below next day pivot range. However, opening candle on the next day rejected the continuation of the trend by opening above central pivot range. In these scenarios, any pullback to the range should be an opportunity to buy. As we can notice, the prices pulled back to top center and moved up for the day. Task for the day: open any of the stock chart and try to find different today relationships. As you can see, the next day was a classical example of a higher value relationship, and it was also a trending day. The market rallied to resistance 4 level. Keep practicing so that you won't miss the explosive moves. In the next video, we will cover the topic unchanged value. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.